All right, here we go. We're gonna go to the train station, and then where are we going? Florence. Here we go. We're on the train. They're running. What was your favorite part of Rome?
All the walking.
Seriously, what was your favorite part?
Seeing all the fountains. Colosseum.
Right.
The ancient ruins.
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget the food and wine.
Yeah. And mine was the Vatican, and the worst was the Vatican.
Yes.
The Vatican was the prettiest,
Yes.
but the worst was the Vatican because of all the people, right?
True.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the Borghese. Oh, I like the Borghese. Oh, I like the Borghese.
So where are we going today?
Borghese.
El Borghese. La Galleria Borghese.
Oh, I like the Borghese.
Hey, look. They're runners. Here we go, one more time. So today is Boxing Day, December 26th in Florence. And we've decided that we do not fit in here with the $2,000 outfits and all this crowd. So we're heading back to the hotel. Maybe try to get a glass of wine and go to bed. So, arrivederci.